to Norway, a land of deep fjords, towering mountains, and some of the most beautiful waterfalls in the world. Today, we're exploring 5 waterfalls that make Norway unforgettable. Let's begin. Number 5. Steinsdalsfossen, located near Norheimsund in western Norway. Steinsdalsfossen is one of the country's most unique waterfalls. The waterfall drops nearly 50 meters from the mountainside. What makes it special is the path behind the waterfall. Visitors can walk behind the rushing water and experience it from a completely different perspective. Surrounded by green hills and peaceful Norwegian countryside, Steinsdalsfossen has been attracting visitors for more than a century. Number 4. Låtefossen, located near the town of Odda in the Hardanger region. Låtefossen is one of Norway's most photographed waterfalls. The waterfall is famous for its twin streams. 2 separate waterfalls flow down the mountainside before joining together beneath a historic stone bridge. Låtefossen has a total height of approximately 165 meters. The combination of powerful water, rugged mountains, and dramatic scenery makes it one of Norway's most iconic waterfalls. Number 3. Langfoss, located beside the beautiful Åkrafjord. Langfoss is often considered one of the most beautiful waterfalls in the world. The waterfall drops an impressive 612 meters down the steep mountainside. Unlike many remote waterfalls, Langfoss can be admired directly from the road and from the fjord below. As the water cascades toward the fjord, it creates one of Norway's most breathtaking natural landscapes. Many travelers consider Langfoss one of Norway's greatest natural treasures. Number 2. The Seven Sisters, located in the world-famous Geirangerfjord. This waterfall consists of 7 separate streams flowing side by side down the mountainside. The highest drop reaches around 250 meters. The Seven Sisters are among the most photographed waterfalls in Norway. According to local legend, the 7 streams represent 7 sisters dancing gracefully down the mountain. Whether viewed from a boat or from high above the fjord, the sight is unforgettable. Number 1. Vøringsfossen. For many people, this is the most famous waterfall in Norway. Located near Eidfjord in the dramatic Måbødalen valley, Vøringsfossen is one of Norway's greatest natural wonders. The waterfall has a total height of 182 meters. Its main free fall is 145 meters. Today, visitors can experience breathtaking viewpoints and a spectacular bridge suspended above the canyon. The roar of the water echoes through the valley as it plunges into the gorge below. Standing here, surrounded by towering cliffs and untouched Norwegian wilderness, it is easy to understand why Vøringsfossen has become a symbol of Norway. From peaceful countryside waterfalls to dramatic cascades falling into deep fjords, Norway offers some of the most spectacular waterfall scenery on Earth. Thank you for joining this journey through 5 of Norway's most beautiful waterfalls. And remember, there are still thousands more waiting to be discovered. Nature View Norway.